Hello my dear friends, in this video we have to solve this radical equation for the real values of x. So let's get started. I will be sharing two different methods to solve this question. Let me write here method number 1, it is M1, which will be using geometry and distance formula. So if we have two coordinates, suppose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then we know the distance d will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we have two square roots over here. So if I will write first square root as per our equation, square root x square plus 1, which we can write square root x minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square. Now if we will compare with our formula, then we can say it is nothing but the distance between coordinates or points x comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So we'll assume x comma 0 is suppose P and 0 comma 1 is suppose A. So we have 2 points. Now we have another square root x square minus 8x plus 20, which we can write square root of x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 4. Now we know that x square minus 8x plus 16 is nothing but x minus 4 whole square. And we have 4, which we will be writing 0 minus 2 whole square as per our distance formula. Now we will be getting two coordinates from here. It is nothing but the distance between x comma 0 and 4 comma 2. X comma 0 is point P, 4 comma 2 is point B. So we have basically 3 points on our xy plane. So let us draw. I will write here point A, which is on y-axis 0 comma 1. On x-axis we have point P. So I will write here x comma 0, point is P. Now we have 4 comma 2, which is our point B. So I will write here 4 comma 2, which is our point B. Now if we will find distance between point A and B, this distance, suppose this distance is d1. So using distance formula, we will get square root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So let me write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 square is 16, we will write 16 plus 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1. So distance d1, which is nothing but the distance between point A and B, is square root 17 units. Now if I will take reflection of point B, so let us take reflection about x-axis. So we will write here point B, which is B prime now after reflection. 4 comma minus 2 will be the coordinates. Now we have to join P with B prime. So we are going to get one straight line which is having 3 coordinates, 0 comma 1, x comma 0, 4 comma minus 2. Let us find the distance between A, B prime. I will consider this distance is d2. d2 will be equal to the distance between A and b prime equal to square root of x2 minus x1 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square, which will be equal to square root of 4 square is 16 plus minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square is 9. So we'll be getting square root 25, which is equal to 5. And in RHS we have 5. So the distance summation of these two is nothing but 5. So we have three coordinates 0, 1, x, 0 and 4, minus 2 whose distance is 5 units. So we will pick this line. We will find the slope of AB prime. Slope would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will be equal to y2 is minus 2, y1 is 1, so minus sign will be there, over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0. We will get slope equal to minus 3 over 4. Now we have to find equation of line AB prime. So I will write here AB prime. Equation of line would be y minus y1 equal to m AB prime x minus x1. So let us consider 0, 1 x1 y1. So I will write here y minus 1 will be equal to minus 3 over 4 in bracket x minus 0. So we have equation of line y minus 1 equal to minus 3 over 4 times x. I will write here y minus 1 equal to minus 3 over 4 times x, or y will be equal to 3 over 4 times x with minus sign plus 1. Now this line is passing through P. So I will write here line is passing through point P, and point P is x, 0. So any time we can put y equal to 0. So 0 will be equal to minus 3 over 4 times x plus 1. Now we'll add 3x over 4 to both sides and get 3x over 4 equal to 1. Now we will multiply both sides by 4 over 3 and we will get x 4 over 3. So the only real solution which will satisfy our equation would be 4 over 3. Now we'll take method number 2. It is M2. Here we'll be using squaring. So let us take this term to the RHS. I will write a square root x square minus 8x plus 20 equal to 5 minus square root of x square plus 1. Now we have a square root on both the sides. We will take squaring. So part 2. Here also we will put part 2. A square root and a square will get over from LHS. We will get x square minus 8x plus 20 in LHS, and in RHS we will be using a minus b whole square formula. So a square will be 25 plus b square will be x square plus 1 minus 2 times 5 times square root x square plus 1 will be 10 square root x square plus 1. Now we will subtract x square from both the sides. So plus and minus x square we can cancel. So equation will become minus 8x plus 20 equal to 25 plus 1 is 26 minus 10 square root x square plus 1. Now here we have 26, here we have 20. So let's subtract 26 from both the sides. So we can cancel 26 from RHS, and in LHS we will get minus 8x plus 20 minus 26 minus 6 equal to minus 10 times the square root of x square plus 1. We can multiply our equation with minus 1 both sides. So I will write here times minus 1. Equation will become 8x plus 6 in LHS, 10 square root x square plus 1 in RHS. We'll take 2 common from LHS. So 2 in the bracket, there will be 4x plus 3. And in RHS, we have 10 square root x square plus 1. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So let us divide LHS by 2. Then we will divide RHS by 2. 2 over 2 will be 1. 10 over 2 will be 5. So we can write 4x plus 3 will be equal to 5 times square root x square plus 1. Now we have single square root in RHS. So we can write 4x plus 3 equal to 5 times square root of x square plus 1. We'll be squaring both sides. So part 2, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square will be 16x square plus 2ab will be 24x plus b square will be 9. In RHS, 5 square is 25, square root x square plus 1 whole square, x square plus 1. 16x square plus 24x plus 9 will be equal to 25x square plus 25. Now we'll take all the terms to RHS. 25x square minus 16x square, 9x square. Then we have minus 24x. Then we can write 25 minus 9, which is plus 16, equal to 0. Now 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. 16 can be written as 4 whole square. Then minus 24x will be 2 times 3x times 4, and RHS is 0. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is there. So LHS will become 3x minus 4 whole square, and in RHS we have 0. So we'll be writing 3x minus 4, this will be equal to 0. By adding 4 to both sides, we will write 3x equal to 4. By dividing 3 both sides, we are going to get our solution 4 over 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.